Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a very important property, that is the orthocenter reflection properties. What is this property? Suppose we have a triangle ABC and H is the orthocenter of the triangle. So the reflection of H, the orthocenter, the reflection of H from any sides of a triangle will lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. This is very important property, and IIT-JEE directly asked question on based on this property. We will discuss that question also. So what is the property? If H is the orthocenter and BC is side of the triangle, then reflection of H from this side will lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. This is the theorem. And let's discuss the question that comes in the IIT-JEE. That is what? This is the question. Question is, we have a triangle ABC. Let the triangle is ABC, and it is given that sides are x-axis and the line this. So let this side is y equal to 0 and another side is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So equation of two sides is given. Let H be the orthocenter of the triangle. Now from this property we know that reflection of H from the side will lies on the circumcircle. So now take the reflection of H from the x-axis. As we know, the reflection of any point, this is 1 comma 1, reflection from the x-axis, it is, let it be H dash. Obviously this point is 1 comma minus 1. Now again we can find reflection of H from the side AC. Let it be H double dash. We have formula for the reflection, which is x minus x1 upon A is equal to y minus y1 upon B is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So this is the formula to find reflection of any point x1 comma y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So using this formula we can find the reflection of H from the line x plus y plus 1. If you use that formula you will get H double dash, which is minus 2 comma minus 1. So we get 2 point H and H dash on the circumcircle of the triangle. Now what we need for the circle, we need a radius of the circle and center of the circle. So we can find, if you solve this two line y equal to 0, and that is equation of side BC and AC, then you can find the point, easily find the point of intersection of these 2 points, which is C, and this point is minus 1 comma 0. So you get the vertex C. Now equation of the circle. Now as we know that circle is passing through vertex C and H dash. So we have 3 points on the circumcircle. If 3 points on the circumcircle is known, then we can easily find the equation of the circle. So what is the equation of the circle? After finding 3 points on the circle, we can use that we can find center of the circle and then radius, and then we can easily find the equation of the circle. So the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus x plus 3y equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. I am not finding the equation of the circle because we know there is a simple, the main concept is here is we need to know that image of the orthocenter from the sides lies on the circumcircle. As we get the 3 points from on the circumcircle, we can easily find the equation of circle. This is a simple question, so I am not solving that. Our purpose is that reflection property of orthocenter. Now let's consider another example based on the same concept. It is what? This is the acute angle triangle ABC, and the orthocenter of the triangle is given, and circumcircle is also given. Then we have to find radius of the circumcircle of the triangle. So now let's solve this question. let the circle is this. Now take a triangle. This is a circumcircle of this triangle. Now what is given? Given is orthocenter is given, and this center of the circle is known. We have to find radius of the circle. As we know that orthocenter is 1, 2 in this question, and equation of sides is 4x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. So from the above set property, we can easily find that image of that orthocenter from the side. So as we know that image lies on the circumcircle, so we can easily find h dash with the same formula that we discussed earlier. So that formula, from that formula we can find this h dash. And what is h dash? I am writing the result directly. So what is h dash is 17 upon 25 comma 56 upon 25. As we find h dash, so this h dash will lies on the circumcircle. Now circumcenter is also given, that is 2, 3. So obviously the circumradius r is nothing but ch dash. So using distance formula, we can easily find ch dash. So same result is used in this question also and this question also. So this is very important concept. We need to remember this concept. Again, what is the concept? The image of orthocenter from any sides of the triangle lies on the circumcircle of the triangle. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much.